How to get the new Instagram update. Well, hello everyone, welcome back into the channel. In this video today, let me guide you the steps on how you can get the new Instagram update. Well, the process itself is pretty simple and pretty easy. In order to get the new Instagram update, what you can do is you can proceed to head over to your App Store or Play Store and then proceed to search for Instagram. Then if the update is available, then you'll be able to get it. However, sometimes if the update for apps has rolled out and you are unable to get the update on your device, then it might be that the update hasn't been rolled out in your region yet. Well, updates are generally rolled out time-wise on different areas and different countries and different regions, so you might want to wait. However, if you do not want to wait, what you can do is you want to find out which country has the update has already been released. For example, if I'm here in Asia, if the update has already been released on an European country or European server, then I can install VPN on my device. I can proceed to connect the VPN and then open up App Store or Play Store again and search for Instagram, and I can update it that way as well. Hope this video helped you. Do like and subscribe.